Now, see the problem number, example 30. Prove that box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar equal to 2 box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So, first of all, we have to take the LHS part, and this is the important problem here. Solution LHS part. What is the LHS part here? Box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar. Here comma writing also no problem. Without writing comma also it is same only. Now one formula is there. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to A bar dot of B bar cross C bar. This is the formula. Based upon that formula, I'll simplify this LHS part. What is A plus A bar plus what is there? A bar plus B bar, B bar plus B bar plus C bar, and C bar plus C bar plus A bar. Just substitution equal to A bar plus B bar dot of B bar plus C bar cross of C bar plus A bar. C bar plus A bar. Now simplify dot of inside the bracket what is there? B bar plus C bar cross of C bar plus A bar. Just multiplication. First one and second one. Just multiplication we have to make here. B bar cross of C bar plus B bar cross of A bar. Next, C bar cross of C bar, C bar cross of C bar plus C bar cross of A bar. So now, I'll write down this one A bar plus B bar as it is dot product with B bar cross of C bar plus B bar cross of A bar plus 0 bar plus C bar cross A bar. Why we are writing this one? The cross product of two vectors, same vectors is 0 vector. We have the note point that one. C bar cross C bar equal to 0 bar. These are the since conditions. Using formulas that one. Now, dot product of this total bracket, same to same, A bar with total bracket multiplication, B bar total bracket multiplication. So now A bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot of B bar cross A bar plus 0 vector no need to multiply here. Why? Because 0 vector. Any vector multiply with 0 vector, that is a 0 vector. A bar dot of C bar cross A bar plus next B bar vector it will start. So B bar multiply with total bracket. B bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot of B bar cross A bar plus B bar dot of C bar cross A bar. So now the dot product total completed. First formula you can observe here. First formula box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to A bar dot of B bar cross C bar. So we can write reverse also here. Like this A bar dot of B bar cross C bar. One dot, one cross is there. We can write as a box of. So here you observe each and every term having dot and cross, dot and cross, dot and cross. So we can write the box of A bar, B bar, C bar. First one plus second one. Box of A bar, B bar, A bar. Box of A bar, C bar, A bar. First line completed. Plus B bar, B bar, C bar. Plus B bar, B bar, A bar. Plus box of B bar, C bar, A bar. This equal to A bar, B bar, C bar plus we have one note point. Identical vectors is there, that box value should be equal to 0. Second one 0 and third one also 0. Fourth one B bar is there, so that is also 0. Here also B bar is there, 0 plus. This one write as a 3 places interchange. A bar first place, B bar second place, C bar third place. All places if you are interchanging, there is no change in the value. A bar, B bar, C bar. If you change only 2 values, negative you will get outside. But we are changing total 3 values. So A bar, B bar, C bar, direct plus we can write. Now, box of A bar, B bar, C bar, box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to 2 box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the RHS part. LHS equal to RHS. Final conclusion we have to write. Therefore, box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar equal to 2 box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is the important problem, and very easy based upon this formula. And here one more formula we are using. Identical. In a box, identical vectors is there. That box value should be equal to 0. Pause the video to note it down. Now, example 31. Prove that box of A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar is equal to RHS part we have to show. For that purpose, solution. First of all, I will take the LHS part. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar plus D bar. Which formula? A bar, B bar, C bar formula I will use. First one, dot product box of B bar cross of remaining 2 vectors. Dot product, first one, second one, cross product. Now you simplify this one. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross D bar. Next, dot product you have to make here. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot of B bar cross D bar. Which formula first we used here? Since B bar, A bar, B bar, C bar equal to A bar dot of B bar cross C bar. First we used that one. Next, reverse. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar is there. We can write as a box of A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, D bar. This is on the RHS part. So final conclusion, we can write the question here as it is. So this is the way of finding the, when box asking, that time we have to use this formula. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar, and reverse also we can use that. Next, exercise problems 10.5 exercise. Problem number 1. Example problems already we discussed. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Otherwise, sometimes asking, example we discussed. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar also they can ask. No problem. Solution. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to determinant of coefficient. First of all, you have to write the given vectors. Total you mentioned clearly. After that, box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to coefficients 1, minus 2 and 3. 2, minus 3 and 1. 3, 1, minus 2. So now simplification you have to make here. 1 into first column and first row, close it. Cross multiply. Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Minus 1. Minus is there. So plus 2. Plus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and minus 3. Plus 3 into 3 into cross multiply. First row, last column you remove. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus of minus 9. So now 6 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 7 into 2 minus 14. Next one, 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 into 3 is 33. 33 plus 5 is 38. 38 minus 14 is 24. So the required answer A bar, B bar, C bar, box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to 25. So pause the video to note it down. Now problem number 2 in exercise. Show that the vectors, 3 vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. Collinear is different, coplanar is different. Already we discussed. Example problems also we discussed. Box of 3 vectors. Box of 3 vectors is equal to 0. Then the vectors is said to be a collinear vectors. For that purpose, solution, you have to write here given A bar, B bar, C bar. Direct I am writing box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to mod determinant of coefficient of A bar is 1 J cap K cap minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 4 1 minus 3 and 5. This is the determinant. Now simplification you have to make 1 into close first row and first column, cross multiply 3 5 are 15 minus 3 4 are 12, minus is there, so plus I'll write bracket minus 10 minus of minus 4 plus 3 into minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 minus 3. This value should be equal to 15 minus 12 is 3. Here plus 4 minus 10. Plus 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Here 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to 0. Therefore, what we can conclude, given A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Coplanar. Coplanar means it will lies, the 3 vectors lies in the same plane. Next, problem number 3. Find the lambda if the 3 vectors are coplanar. Coplanar means the box value should be equal to 0. Already they are giving that one. So now you have to find the lambda value. Example problem also we discussed. Solution. Let first of all we have to take as a bar I cap minus J cap plus K cap. B bar equal to 3 I cap plus J cap plus 2 K cap. C bar equal to I cap plus lambda J cap minus 3 K cap. Given A bar, comma B bar and C bar are coplanar. Coplanar, that is box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to 0. Coplanar means the box value should be equal to 0. Box means what here? Determinant of coefficients here. 1 minus 1 1, 3 1 2, 1 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. Now 1 into cross multiply minus 3 minus 2 lambda plus 1 into minus 9 minus 2 plus 1 into 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Now you have to make the simplification here. Minus 3 minus 2 lambda minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 into 1 is minus 11 plus 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Now you have to make more simplification here. We need to find here lambda value. For that purpose, minus 3 minus 11 minus 14 minus 14 and minus 1 minus 14 and minus 1 minus 15. The total numbers is minus 15. 3 lambda minus 2 lambda plus lambda you will get equal to 0. Therefore, lambda equal to 15. Therefore, lambda equal to 15. Coplanar they are giving, so that's why equal to 0. Equal to 0 compulsory how to mention. If it is not equal to 0, here there is no 0 means we can't find the lambda value. So that purpose coplanar. Coplanar means the box value should be equal to 0. Pause the video to note it down. Problem number 4. A bar equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap. B bar equal to just I cap. C bar equal to C1 I cap, C2 J cap, C3 K cap. Then first problem, C1 equal to C2 equal the given. C3 value which makes the coplanar. A bar, B bar, C bar coplanar. For that purpose here, first of all given A bar equal to I cap plus J cap plus K cap. B bar equal to I cap. C bar equal to C1 I cap. C2 J cap. C3 K cap. C3 K cap. First problem, C1 equal to 1, C2 equal to 2. Coplanar making purpose. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to, coplanar means what? A bar, B bar, C bar equal to 0. So box of 1, 1, 1, 1 nothing is there means 0, 0. C1 value is 1, C2 value is 2, C3 value you have to find here equal to 0. Coplanar, which makes it as a coplanar. Coplanar means C3 value how much you have to find. C equal to 0 means coplanar condition, that is. So now simplify 1 into, I am expanding along with any row or any column you can make. Okay, direct I am making here R1 simplification. R1 into 0 minus 0 minus 1 into C3 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 minus 0 equal to 0. Here simplification, minus C3 plus 2 equal to 0. That implies C3 value is 2. If C3 value is 2, the vectors are coplanar. Coplanar condition I am taking here. Coplanar means determinant value should be equal 0. When it is 0, C3 value is equal to 2. Next, similar problem here, B problem. Problem number B. C2 equal to minus 1, C3 equal to 1. Then show that no value of C1 makes A bar, B bar, C bar coplanar. So now you have to take here C1, C2 equal to minus 1, C3 equal to 1. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar. That is magnitude of 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, C1 minus 1, 1. So now you have to simplify here. 1 into 0 minus 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 0. If you close this one, minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0. The determinant value how much you are getting 0, 0 here minus 1. This is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. Any value of C1, here substitute C1 any value, the answer should not equal to 0. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar not equal to 0. So it is a not coplanar. C1 is any value. You can substitute 1000, you can substitute 1, 2, 3. You can substitute here 2. Here in this value there is no C1. It is does not depend upon C1. This determinant value does not depend upon C1. Therefore, for any value of C1, the vectors A bar, comma, B bar and C bar not coplanar. Here it does not depend upon C1, so it is does not depend upon C1. For any value of C1, the vectors is not coplanar, non-coplanar also you can write. So this is the way of showing this one. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 5. Show the 4 points with the position vectors 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 position vectors of 4 points are coplanar. Already we discussed one example problem in examples. 4 points, 4 position vectors are given means you have to make as 3 vectors, proper vectors first of all. After that, common process. The box of 3 vectors should be equal to 0. Then that 3 vectors are coplanar. The 3 vectors, 4 vectors showing purpose. 4 position vectors here. The 4 position vectors convert into normal vectors first. For that purpose, solution, let A bar equal to OA bar equal to position vector of A with respect to O bar equal to 4i cap plus 8j cap plus 12k cap. OB bar equal to 2i cap, 4j cap, 6k cap. OC bar equal to 3i cap, 5j cap, 4k cap. OD bar equal to 5i cap, 8j cap, 5k cap. So these are the 4 position vectors of 4 different points, taking as a OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. Now you have to find the AB bar. One point should be common for every vector. AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar. What is the OB bar here? Direct I am writing 2i cap minus 4i cap equal to minus 2i cap. 4j cap minus 8j cap minus 4j cap. 6k cap minus 12k cap minus 6k cap. So this is the AB bar value. Next, AC bar equal to OC bar minus OA bar. If any confusion is there, first of all you have to substitute the values here, vectors, and then subtract, no problem. 3i cap minus 4j cap minus I cap. 5j cap minus 8j cap minus 3j cap. 4k cap minus 12k cap minus 8k cap. Next, AD bar. AD bar vector is OD bar minus OA bar. OD bar minus OA bar. 5i cap minus 4i cap, that is just I cap. 8j cap minus 8j cap, 0j cap. Write down 0, no problem. If you are not writing also, no problem. Why I am writing means next problem at problems determinant writing time some members will k value write as a j value write as a k value. So that time answer wrong you will get. So no problem, write down the 0j cap as it is. 5k cap minus 12k cap, 7k cap. 7, 5 minus 12, so minus 7k cap. Now we have to find the box of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar equal to determinant of coefficients of the vectors -2, -4, -6, -1, -3, -8, 1, 0, -7. Simplify this one. -2 into, expanding along row 1, -2 into 21 minus 0. Minus is there, so +4, +4, cross multiply 7, minus of -8, -6 into, -6 into 0, minus of -3, -2 into 21, -42. Next one, 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 into 4, 60. Here plus total -18. So this value 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. The box of A bar, B bar, AC bar, AD bar equal to 0. Therefore, the given vectors coplanar. The given vectors coplanar. When they are giving 4 position vectors, make as a 3 vectors. 3 vectors if you are making simplification, 0 getting. The 4 position vectors should be coplanar. So pause the video to note it down. Now, problem number 6. Find the x such that 4 points are coplanar. Previous problem, 4 points position vectors they given. Here 4 points they given, and that 4 points coplanar. They only mentioned these 4 points are coplanar. That means box of 3 vectors is equal to 0 they are giving. No need to show here. They are giving already. Just find the x value here. So for that purpose, first of all, take as a position vectors. Points convert into position vectors. Solution, let OA bar equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. OB bar equal to 4i cap xj cap 5k cap. OC bar equal to 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. OD bar equal to 6i cap 5j cap minus k cap. Minus 1 is nothing but minus k cap. So these 4 position vectors convert into 3 vectors. One common point should be there. BC bar, BD bar, BA bar also you can find. Simple purpose, simply I am taking here AB bar, OB bar minus OA bar. 6 minus 3, 1 I cap. X minus 2, X minus 2 J cap. 5 minus 1, 4 K cap. Next, AC bar equal to OC bar minus OA bar. OC bar minus OA bar. 4 minus 3, 1 I cap. 2 minus 2, 0 J cap. Minus 2 minus K, minus 3 K cap. AC bar completed. AD bar equal to OD bar minus OA bar. What is the OD bar here? 6 I cap minus 3 I cap. 3 I cap plus 5 J cap minus 2 J cap. 3 J cap minus K minus 2 K cap. So now by given 4 points are coplanar. That is box of AB bar, AC bar AD bar equal to 0. Box of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar equal to 0. So that is determinant of coefficients here. 1, x minus 2, next one 4 is equal to 0. Next here 1, 0 minus 3, 1, 0 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 2. So now simplify this one. 1 into 0 minus of minus 9. 1 into 0 minus of minus 9. Next, minus of x minus 2 into minus of x minus 2 into minus 2 minus of minus 9 plus 4 into 3 minus 0 equal to 0. Now, 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Minus of x minus 2 into this simplification plus 9 minus 2. Plus 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 12 equal to 0. This implies 9 minus 7x minus into minus plus 2. 2 into 7 is 14 plus 12 equal to 0. So now simplify this one. Minus 7x is there. If you send right side, it will become 7x. This value is 26 plus 9. 26 plus 9 is 35. 7 1 the 7 5 the. X equal to 5. We have to find here x value. Find the x value. 4 points are collinear the given. 4 points collinear means 4 position vectors convert into 3 vectors and the 3 vectors determinant equal to 0. By that condition, x value is 5. Pause the video to note it down. Now, last problem in the exercise and the chapter, problem number 7. Show that the vectors are coplanar. A bar, B bar and C bar coplanar vectors. If A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar are coplanar. What we have to show? These 3 vectors are coplanar if these 3 vectors are coplanar. So that purpose, solution, let A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar and C bar plus A bar are coplanar. That means, that is, box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar equal to 0. Now we are taking these 3 vectors are coplanar. We have to show another 3 vectors are coplanar. For that purpose, by the formula A bar plus B bar dot of B bar plus C bar dot of cross of C bar plus A bar equal to 0. This implies, now you have to make the simplification. A bar plus B bar dot of B bar cross C bar, B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. C bar cross A bar. This implies A bar plus B bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross C bar value. C bar cross C bar is 0 vector plus C bar cross A bar as it is equal to 0. So now more simplification. Already we discussed this problem in example also. Simplification is same. A bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot of B bar cross A bar plus A bar dot of C bar cross A bar. Here 0 vector is there. 0 vector into any vector is 0. So no need to write that vector. Plus B bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus B bar dot of B bar cross A bar plus B bar dot of C bar cross A bar. This equal to 0. They given already. We are taking equal to 0. So continue that 0. Implies this formula A bar dot of B bar cross C bar, vector triple product. That is nothing but box of A bar B bar C bar plus box of A bar B bar A bar plus box of A bar C bar A bar. Remaining plus B bar B bar C bar plus here box of B bar B bar A bar plus box of B bar C bar A bar. This total value equal to 0. So now last more 2 steps here. Box of A bar B bar C bar plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus. Here total I am simplifying A bar B bar C bar. Last vector, last box, all places, that means first place, second place, third place vectors, we are interchanging here. So the resultant value should be same. If you are changing only 2 positions, then you will get the negative. 3 position if you are changing, negative into negative, total will become positive. And this identical vectors is there. Inside the box, identical vectors is there. The vector should be equal to, the box should be equal to 0. This implies 2 into box of A bar B bar C bar equal to 0. This implies box of A bar B bar C bar equal to 0. Therefore, vectors A bar B bar comma C bar are coplanar. Coplanar. What we took here? A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar plus A bar, coplanar vectors. That means box should be equal to 0. We are taking that one. Next, getting A bar B bar C bar, box equal to 0. Then the 3 vectors are coplanar. We are taking this one is a coplanar, but resultant value is A bar B bar C bar is coplanar vectors. So that purpose, this total question we have to write. Finally, we have to write the question here. This problem, by this problem, total chapter and total this exercise it will complete. So pause the video to note it down.